Today we're talking about the impact that weather had on the French Revolution. We want to do this so we can understand the food shortage that helped to kickstart the revolution. So, at the same time that Louis XVI was demanding that people pay more taxes, France was also suffering from extremely severe weather. The winter had been extremely cold and had blocked off roads, making trade and travel impossible. And of course, when snow melts, especially a lot of snow, you end up with floods. So you had extreme cold, followed by flooding, followed in the summer by drought. Those three things in combination are very bad for national productivity because what that means is that grain crops die. The flooding prevents the seeds from growing, then those that do manage to survive through the floods get killed off by the drought. So it was very harsh. People didn't have a lot of food stockpiled because of the harsh winter, and that led to, or that played into then the grain crops not really growing as much as was expected. So that has two effects, of course. First off, people are obviously hungry, and hungry people are people who are inclined to change the system that keeps them hungry. But as well, that means that a large portion of France's economy has just been hit right when France is going bankrupt. So, as the shortage worsened through supply and demand, prices of the flour rose. So, people could no longer afford bread. So, people didn't have any money, the country didn't have any money, and the common people, at least, could not afford food. And that led to riots as people tried to seize grain supplies in order to get the flour to make the bread to ensure that they did not starve.